Excitech Mail is a plugin to Outlook that makes it really easy to file your messages into a number of storage types. So M files is supported, normal file system folders that you're probably using already, but also cloud-based storage, so places like OneDrive, Google Drive, Dropbox, and many others. So the plugin sits to one side here, and I can collapse it away if I want to gain some real estate. Equally, I can expand that out and park it in a number of places within the user interface, in the list view here, the preview here, over to the left. I happen to prefer it over there. And all the time it's working. What it's trying to do is anticipate where I will file the message that I happen to have selected. So if I select this message from Excitech, it's suggesting that that might be filed to Excitech Marketing. If I select this one from M Files, it's going to the M Files Marketing. And if we look at this one from Charlie Checker, it's suggesting Spangle Court. Interestingly, if I select this one from Charlie Checker, it suggests a number of different locations because it's looking at that message and trying to just ascertain where I might file it based on my previous filing behaviors. And it gives a score. It's essentially said this one's got 6 blue bars, so it's pretty confident that that's where I might file that message. But equally, I might file it to these other two with different scoring. The grey bars represent places that I have filed to, but there's nothing about this message that suggests to the code that it could be one of those. Anything that doesn't have a grey bar is just places that I have yet to file to. Now, maybe that there's a new project that's in the system and I want to file to that and it's not appearing in this list. I can always filter, so I know it's to do with a brewery. I can start typing brewery and it's come up with that and it's highlighting those keywords. I can clear that. So at any time you can focus in on the place that you want to file to. I'm going to select this message from Abigail Approver, and I've got this set so that when I file the message, it doesn't remove it from my inbox, but leaves it there and marks it just like the one above here. If we look at this one, it's set to record the date it was filed and also where it was filed to. You don't have to have it set that way. You may prefer to have your inbox cleared so that once you file a message, it disappears from your inbox because you're confident that it's been filed away. But I've got it set to just mark that. So to file this, all I need to do is double click somewhere on any one of the tiles or single click on the envelope. And I'd like to file this to Spangle Court. I'm going to single click on the envelope. And what you'll see is it's marked there, it's queued for filing, it's filed to the M files location, and now it's filed. All happens very quickly. And you can multi-select. So I can file many messages all at once, and those are deduplicated. So if my colleagues also file the same messages, only one copy is kept.